Hello friends, today we are doing a detail. This is an outside detail, and this is a 2021 Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's a beautiful maroon color. I'm hoping I'll have enough time before the sun goes down and the cold sets in. I would really like to do a rinseless on it. But if I can't, then the best I'll be able to do is run over and just at least power wash it off. But it's in really nice shape. It's not bad. See the inside there. This has a real nice cover over it. Not bad at all. I'm not doing anything with the exterior other than maybe a rinseless if it doesn't get too cold on me. This pickup is way too big for my shop. Maybe one day I'll have an option to pull these things in with a big old shop. You know. YouTube goals. And yes, he is a construction worker. This is for a construction company. So this vehicle is not in that bad a shape. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. If my hands get too cold, I'll get in and start the pickup and warm up and then continue working. So today I'm using the rest of my DIY detail interior ceramic clean and protect interior. Oh my God. So today I'm going to finish up my DIY detail interior clean and protect. I do like this product, but this, right along with all the others, they're really for the cleaner cars. They're really not for the dirtier cars. This one's not bad, so I think it'll be okay. But I have my hard stuff, the harder stuff right over here, but we'll get it figured out. I mean, I think it's gonna be fine. But it smells good, and this is an outside detail, so I want that good smelling stuff. You know what I mean? Alrighty, friends, so this pickup is done. It's looking really good, really clean. I got to put the stuff back in it, the personal belongings out of the center here, but I'll get that. I found a few things. I went ahead and put them aside. I don't know if they want them or not. There was some pet hair in this vehicle. I think it's going to take a couple of rounds to get it all out. I used some ceramic coating under there. He does live on a dirt road. That will help to keep some of that dirt from sticking. It's looking good. Yeah, that's looking good. I got the windows. I would love to give this a wash, enhance it, and put a ceramic coat on it. He's one of those that could afford it, so I might suggest it to him. I think it would look really nice and keep it looking really good for a while. It's looking good. And I also put the ceramic coat there. Yeah, the floor mat is still a little wet. I did wipe it down. My phone died, by the way, so it was no sense in putting it on the charger and fighting with it to get it back up and finish up the vehicle. So I just finished it up. But I did wipe it. You could just see where it's finally drying. Alrighty, friends, so my part of the detail is done. I am going to suggest a ceramic coating to him. I think it would be worth his while. I wanted to share something with you guys real quick. The pink nitrile gloves, you will find them on sale with many different merchants on Amazon. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and obviously it's no longer October, so they are trying to sell these. I would hope that you guys would take a minute and go and order a couple of boxes. Yeah, I know, guys don't like to wear pink. I think you should. Anyway, let's get on with the review. I want to give you my final thoughts review on the DIY Detail Interior Clean and Protect. My final thoughts on the DIY Detail Interior Clean and Protect is I do like it. I love the protection that it leaves behind. My only problem is, and I have no choice but to go over it with all of them, and that is the fact that they're really not made to clean the really tough, nasty vehicles. But don't let that deter you. It's the same as the other dice detailing. You're just gonna sometimes need the harder stuff, but these can still be used. They're good products. They take care of two things at once, cleaning and protecting. So definitely want to have those two because you knock out two steps in one. You see what I'm saying? And I do like that. So anyway, I used really every drop. It's gone. I think I'm going to go ahead and get some more because I do like this. This does take care of on those dealership details that are really pretty clean. They just need a good wipe down. It takes care of the protection and it takes care of the cleaning all at once. And that helps me get through those details a lot quicker. So DIY Detail Interior Clean and Protect gets a 9. Only reason I took one off is because obviously it's not going to be for the harder stuff, but that's okay. Like I said, it is still a good product and it does do two jobs in one. So thanks for hanging out, guys. Sorry to repeat myself. I hope you all have a wonderful week. I'm going to call them to come and get the pickup. I hope you all have a good one. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.